All right, well, here's a question for you. How do the days to expiration change the pricing of options? Meaning, options are decaying assets, okay, we know that. We create methods and strategies that attempt to benefit from that passage of time. Nobody can change the passage of time, and so we control what we know to be true, and what we know to be true is as you get closer and closer to expiration, meaning if we look at right here, options that are going to expire in 2 days compared to options that expire in 65 days, the pricing reacts significantly different on options that expire in just a couple of days. And that time premium that you have in here, you see this column shows market price. An option that is centered right at the money will cost you $589 to purchase. So if we wanted to model something very simple, we can say, all right, if I wanted to buy and sell equal amount of options that have 2 days to expiration, it's going to cost me $245 to execute this trade, and I am delta neutral. I have massive amounts of theta. This is what the risk profile looks like. I have 2 days until my options expire, and the most I can lose is $245. The peak, the most I can potentially gain is $755. Let's compare that to options that are going to expire in 65 days and look at the difference between those two. That same exact trade will cost you $45, and this is what your risk profile looks like. Very similar, but right off the bat you should notice your risk to reward. You're risking 45 to potentially make 955 is much greater. All right, and the reason for that is look at the cost of the options and how they are priced. So what you are buying and selling is there is a lot more premium in options that expire in a much longer time frame. So longer days to expiration are going to have much higher priced options than shorter days to expiration.